So I will explain about descriptive text, announcement text, historical recount text, and narrative text. The first, I will explain about descriptive text. Descriptive text is the text that describe a person, place, or things. The function of descriptive text is to describe a person, place, or things in specific. Generic structure of descriptive text are: the first, identification, to identify something, to describe or describe that. Number 2, and the second, description, contains the properties inherent in something that you already introduced to reader in the first paragraph. And the language feature of descriptive text are: specific participant, has a certain object, is not common and unique, only one. The second, the use of an adjective to clarify the noun. And the third, the use of simple present tense, and the last, action verb. And the second, about announcement text. Announcement text is a written or spoken statement in public or formal words contain information about an event that has happened. An announcement text is used for giving people some information of what has happened or will happen. Generic structure of announcement text are: starting purpose, when event will be held; starting place, where the event will be held; informing sender, name of the person who will be contacted. And the language feature of announcement text are: using simple present tense and simple future tense, and the last, using exact noun. And I will explain about historical recount text. Historical recount text is text that used to explain and retell factual event in the past that has historical value. The purpose of historical recount text to inform the audience on historical event. The generic structure of historical recount text are: the first, orientation, consists sets the scene for the audience by providing background information. The second, sequence of the event, presented in chronological orders, written in detail. The third, reorientation, used to summary or evaluate or restate the event. And language feature of historical recount text are: the first, past tense action verb; the second, adjective; the third, adverbial phrase; the fourth, time connective; and the fifth, evaluation word. And the last, I will explain about narrative text. Narrative text is a story with complication or problematic event, and it tries to find the resolution to solve the problems. The purpose of narrative text is to amuse or to entertain the reader with a story. Generic structure of narrative text are: the first, orientation, introduce the participant of the story; the second, complication, tells the beginning of the problem which leads to crisis of the main participant; and the third, resolution, the problem is resolved. And the last, reorientation or coda, closing remark to the story, and it is optional. And the last, language feature of narrative text. The first, past tense. Second, adverb of time. Third, time of conjunction. Fourth, specific character. Fifth, action verb. And the last, direct speech.